In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup as a CRM, all within just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through the setup process and ensure you can effectively utilize Clickup for your customer relationship management needs. Whether you're new to Clickup or just exploring its CRM capabilities, I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Clickup website. Clickup promotes itself as the all-in-one app for work, helping you manage various projects and teams efficiently. Once there, look for the login button and click it. This will prompt you to enter your account details and get you settled onto your workspace. Once logged in, you'll be in your home screen. From here, you'll proceed to enter your workspace, which is the centralized hub for all your projects and teams. This workspace will serve as the base where we'll configure the CRM features. Now you'll want to direct your attention to the settings section, which can be accessed from your home screen. A quick click will lead you to your settings interface. Think of it as your control panel within the platform. Here you'll find a multitude of options, but let's focus specifically on the App Center. The App Center is essentially Clickup's marketplace of sorts, housing integrations and other features that you can incorporate into your workspace. It's particularly useful for customizing your experience according to what your team needs. To tailor Clickup for CRM use, you'll need to find and click on the CRM and support section within the App Center. Within the CRM and support section, a multitude of options awaits you, designed specifically for managing customer relationships and support roles. For an efficient CRM setup, locate and select Salesforce. Clicking on Salesforce within Clickup will allow you to integrate this powerful CRM tool directly into your workspace, streamlining your processes and enhancing your scope for customer management. This integration will unlock a myriad of features that can aid you in organizing client data, managing interactions, and ensuring smooth communication with clients. Utilizing Salesforce within Clickup merges the project management strengths of Clickup with the robust CRM capabilities of Salesforce, creating an efficient workflow for your team. As you get familiar with this setup, feel free to explore other features within the App Center. Additional integrations can be added to further enhance what Clickup can do for you in the realm of customer relationship management. By the end of this guide, you should have a fully functional CRM system within Clickup ready to elevate your team's productivity and client engagement. That's it for today's video. In just a few minutes, you've taken significant strides towards optimizing Clickup as your go-to CRM tool. Enjoy your newfound productivity boost and don't forget to explore all the other amazing features Clickup has in store. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.